Students, today we will read verb forms. In the previous class I discussed about verb and its types. Verb is an action word or it may refer to a state, event or condition. Generally the verbs, that means the action words, are divided into 5 forms. That means verbs have 5 forms. The action words, the verbs, that means has 5 forms. What are they? The forms of verbs. Forms of verbs. All the action words are divided. Action words are divided into 5 forms on the basis of these uses. The first form, second form, third form, ing form, es form. These are 5 forms of the verb, that means the action words. First one is verb, first form verb, otherwise known as V1. First form is known as V1, second form V2, third formula V3. Fourth ing form, and the last one is es form. First form is called present form. Present form. It is past form. In a present, it is past. It is past participle. Past participle, it is a present participle, These SES forms of verbs are generally used in singular case. Singular. First form of V1, it is the present form. V2, second form V2, it is a past form. V3, V1, V2, it is a V3. Third form, past participle form, ing form, this form. Now we will take a verb go. Go is the present form of the verb. Its past form is went, and the participle form is gone. The ing form is going. Es form is goes. Go, went, gone. Ing formula going, es formula goes. Simply play. Its past form is played. Participle form is also played. Ing form is playing. And es form is plays. Write is another verb and is present form the base form. Present form is also known as base form. ହେଲା write, wrote, written, writing, writes. These are some of the different forms of the verbs. There are some other verbs are also given in the books. Do is the present form by base form. By base verb is past form did, past participle done, ing formula doing, ss formula does. Go, went, gone, going, goes, come, came, come, coming, comes. Give, gave, given, giving. Take, took, particular taken, ideal taking, SES formula takes. Look, looked, looking, looks. These are some of the verbs. Lay, laid, laying, lays. Obey is past tense, obeyed, obeying, obeys. Pay, paid, paying, pays. Die, died, dying, dies. Close, closed, closing, closes. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Count, counted, counting, counts. Laugh, laughed, laughing, laughs. Believe, believing, believes. These are some of the verbs and its different forms. Now we will discuss about the rules on which the verb changes from present form by base form to past form by V1 form to V2 form. There are some rules on which the present form of the verb by V1 changes to V2. Rules. First rule: in some cases, in some verbs, we add ed to the base form of the verb to make it the past form of the verb. Some verbs are added ed to make it past form. Example: play. The past verb played. Was, washed. Collect, collected. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. These are some of the verbs which changes to past form when we add ed to the base verb. That means adding ed or adding ed to the main verb but to the base verb we change into past form. This is first rule. Second rule: in some cases, the past form of the verb is different from the base verb. In first case we discussed the past form of the verbs are made by adding ed to the base verb. In second case, the past form of the verb is different from the base verb, like this. go. Past form is went. The two words are different. Go, went. Similarly, sleep, slept, slept, do, did, third rule. In first case, in first rule we add ed to the main verb by base verb to make it past form by V1 to V2. In second rule, the V2 form is different from the base form by V1 form. Third rule. In these cases, in these verbs, the present form, past form and past participle form, three forms are same. Though it is read differently but written same. Like this: read, 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 read. Pronounced differently but written same. The base verb is read, its past verb is read, past participle is read. Read, read, read. It is pronounced but written read, read, read. Like this: read, read, read. Similar verbs are put, 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 put. Similarly, got, 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 set, set, set. These are some of the examples of verbs which the three forms are same. Present form, past form, participle form, but V1 form, V2 form, V3 form are same. In first rule, the second past form is formed by adding ed to the base verb of V1. V2 is formed by adding ed to the V1. In second rule, the first form is different from the base form, but V2 is different from V1. Here go, here no. In present form, by base form go, is past form went. Present form sleep, past form slept. The spelling are different. In third rule, the three forms are same, but it is pronounced differently. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. But written same. These are some of the rules. Now we will discuss the exercise. Number 1, discussion of the exercise. Choose the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. Chinu dash till late night. Chinu is the third person. It takes yes or es form of verb. Study, studies. Chinu studies till late night. B. For children dash, for always, obey, obeys. For children, children is the plural number. Obey, obey. Rita dash very good tea makes. Rita is third person singular number. It takes verb ses form. Rita makes. D. Rachi, my friends dash had works. My friends is the plural number. Work had. Minu dash to school by bus. Goes. Minu third person singular number. So it takes yes or yes form of verb. So goes. The nurse dash after the children. Nurse singular number. So looks after the children. He dash in the park now. Sits is sitting. Though the two are applicable, but we must use is sitting. Why? Because it indicates the present time. Now he is sitting in the park. Now here now is used, so we will use ing form of the verb. If he generally sits, then we can use sits. These birds dash very high in the sky. These birds are plural numbers. Nouns are plural, so verb take base verb number fly. We dash warm Pradesh in winter. We are not wearing. We are warm Pradesh. Our school dash at 9 o'clock. Starts at 9 o'clock. Then there are some verbs. V1, V2, V3 form. Some verbs. V1. In some cases V1 is written, in some cases V2 is written, and in some cases V3 is written. We have to fill up the dashes. The first one is sick. Its past form is shut. Sick V1, V2, V3 form. Base form, present form, past form, past participle form. The sick, verb shut, S-O-U-G-H-T, S-O-U-G-H-T, shut. Swim, swam, S-W-M, S-W-U-M, S-W-U-M. तापर अछि टूक अछि टेक टू टेकन टेक टू टेकन तापर अछि सॉन्ग अछि V3 अछि सिंग sang sung sing S-I-N-G sing sang S-A-N-G sang S-U-N-G sung तापर अछि बोर बियर बोर बियर B-O-R-E बोर आरी तापर अछि कलेक्ट collected इति लागिवो collected तापर अछि रस R-U-S-H R-U-S-H रस तापर अछि लेंट अछि V3 form लेंट L-A-E-N-D लेंट These are the three forms of the verb V1, V2. This is all about the verb forms. Thank you very much.